Okay, so now my car is in a shop. They are going to lift the car up, and because the dealer said that there was a cuts to the engine, to some of the wires, and that it was causing the check engine light. I asked the dealership, give me the code for the check engine light. They're refusing to give me the code for the check engine light. What's causing it? They just want me to believe that some rodents got inside my engine and then damage some wires, and that's what's causing uh, the fan to run even when the car is cold. As soon as I uh, turn on the car, the fan starts running. I know for a fact that if that happens when the fan keeps running like that in any car, that means that the computer thinks that the engine is hot, so they're sending a message to the to the fan to turn on the fan. So there is a temperature gauge inside the engine for the coolant, and the temperature gauge is connected to the computer, and also the temperature gauge is connected to a switch for the fan. So when the temperature gauge feels like the car's overheating, it sends a message to the brain telling that, okay, the fan's overheating. Now the computer sends a message to the switch, turn on the fan.
We only could see what could see.
Yeah, that's it.
The most I can do is probably take the covers on the top and look in there.
Yeah, on the bottom too. Just
On the
look at
bottom.
yeah, that's it.
If I have to take the car apart, like
No, you don't have to. No,
there will be a charge.
no, you don't have to.
So you can take as much pictures you
Yeah,
want.
yeah.
You understand? And then we take it from there.
Okay, no problem.
Now here's the question: so the check engine light is on? Yes. Okay. So he's gonna tell you the code, and you're gonna go over with him what they tell you.
Okay.
And you can record it. Okay. It is a good idea to try and stop in this scam.
Yeah.
Because the dealers are fucking pain in the ass.
Yeah. Well,
They bring the cars to me.
Yeah.
Because the fucking brakes halfway.
Yeah.
And they want to charge the caliper.
Yeah. You know how much they asked me to look at this? $5,000. I said $5,000. Okay, tell me what the check engine lights say. They refuse to tell me what the check engine lights say.
Which the phone you want?
The Volkswagen, I mean, Hyundai in Empire in Jamaica. Yeah, they're crooks.
Next one, you're going to go the one North Boulevard.
Oh, he's even worse. There's a mechanic there. I'm going to show you.
I had a good relationship.
Yeah, well, there's a mechanic there. They don't like to do a warranty work. There's a pump right here that went bad. There's three. There is three bolts that holds a pump, and then the pump has
a high pressure pump.
Yeah, the high pressure pump, and then there's a line that goes right here. So I took it there last year, and then he exchanged it. Then I take it home. I'm smelling gasoline all over. Yeah, and then so I took it back to them, and he went like this. He started, oh, okay, well, nothing. So he never look over here, right? Then I go home again, and I still smelling gas. So I take it back to him again. He looked at it. He said everything is fine. It's normal there. So this time, 2 days later, I decided to go to South Shore Honda. South Shore Honda just went like this. He took this off. He went like this. Then he went like this, and he said, "Come here." He said, "I was standing right." He said, "Come here, look." He left this open. Now you want to tell me that's not he didn't do it on purpose? They don't like to work on warranty work, because the warranty work, you pay your guys the same amount of money, right? But the dealer, they pay warranty work, and then they pay regular work, like when things are out of warranty.
They don't pay 100%.
Yeah, exactly. They get a fraction, and a lot of them messing up your car for that. Do you think this is a plug-in? You think this is gonna show the thing? I don't think so.
Sometimes give me an idea.
They said the dealer said you have to have a special tool for that. He said if I take it to they won't be able to know the code. That's why they do this. They know there's new cars. It's not gonna show. I hope it does.
My future special
No?
no have communication.
No communication.
No communication.
You have to turn it on, don't you?
No, turn it on.
But don't you have to turn on the
Yes.
but it's not on.
No, before it's on, I shut it off.
Oh,
I
oh,
switch
oh,
on and now I switch.
oh, so you have to switch on and switch off, then read that. Oh. You have to have a special tool for these now. You know? They know you have to go to the dealer to fix this. These things they don't give the software to you guys, you know?
This is my camera.
Yeah. Nice camera. I for that, you know.
Okay. Let me see.
He must have called from here. I have to put something here to keep them from calling. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
He said there's a cut wire. Where the wire?
The wire for the catalytic is here. This is the sensor
For what?
for the catalytic. This one.
Catalytic converter.
Yeah.
But that's not this what it says?
No, this is the other. This is
Yeah, yeah.
the wire. This is the first sensor for the catalytic.
Yeah.
This is the catalytic.
Well, I'm looking for the sensor for the temperature sensor
Temperature sensor is
because it shows that the engine the thing is running. You understand?
yes. Is look in the is one right here.
Uh-huh.
You see?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't see it's better.
I don't see nothing either.
Yeah. And the other one is give me chance, Kim. Wait. The other one is here right over. No.
Do you see any cut wire there?
No.
I don't see no cut wires.
No. You see.
I don't see no wire. He said that the rats got into the thing and started cutting the wire. Show me. I said to show me. He didn't want to show it to me. So
I don't see the cortex one.
I don't see no cut wires either.
No.
Do you mind if you take this quick out? This no? Yeah. Just quick. Just
No, I don't see no.
I don't see no cut wires either.
Remove the cover the bottle.
Oh, I'm gonna show you something else. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna be shocked. Okay? This guy changed my oil. He put twice what is supposed to be on the engine.
Come, I show you. I don't see cortex wire right here. No, here.
No cut wires.
No. No.
No cut. Okay.
No.
Thank you. All you have to do is write it on your report that you inspected. You saw no cut. Then I'm gonna go somewhere else. No cut wires.
No. No. No.
See, this is no good. Look at this. It's wide open. I think there used to be something here, you know, to keep. I don't know what. Anything can get in here, you know.
But somebody touched this one, right?
I don't know. No? They leave this open. They need to put something here to keep the thing from getting in there. You know? I'm gonna get a chicken wire and then put it here. You know? Yeah.
No got nothing inside here.
Yeah, nothing. Okay, thank you. Okay, everything is fine. Before I wanna look at the bottom here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. No wire cut. Okay, thank you. So I just came out. There was no wire cut on my car. This is from a shop. They did a visual inspection under the car. They saw no wires. Zero wires cut. Okay, we just did an inspection on the car. Okay, and this is the scam that's going on here. This is the scam.